G'day, it's Pete. How you going? Today I turned the big 5-0.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandpa. Happy birthday to you.
You ready?
Hooray! Hooray!
Go, blow it out.
Hooray!
Blow it out. Good job. Well done. Firstly, I want to welcome all you new subscribers, and for those of you blokes that have been around for a while, welcome back to the channel. So we've had a busy couple of weeks. Had a bit of time off over Christmas, which was good. Once we were back at work, we dropped out that A-double set, backed under a B-double taut-liner set, moved around southern Queensland, doing pickups and deliveries, you know, typical taut-liner stuff. Now, because I'm in the day cab, any nights away I spend in motel rooms. Yeah, I know, it's a hard life, isn't it? I think I spent more time in motel rooms over that past couple of weeks than I did at home in my own bed. So the first thing you do when you get into one of the motel rooms is flick the AC on and then flick the telly on. After a few days of doing the motel shuffle, it started reminding me of going on holidays as a kid, seeing different channels, different news readers, different ads for the local stores and local events. Started thinking about my first memories of TV. That memory that brings a smile to your face. Now, Mum says I was fascinated with Bill and Ben, the Flower Pot Men, but I really have no idea what she was talking about. It wasn't until my kids got older and rediscovered them on the telly in the late 90s that I kind of started remembering a little bit about that. But my earliest memory is a show called Countdown. Now, Countdown was a music show on the ABC hosted by Molly Meldrum. I don't remember much about the episode, but I just remember about the slogan, Countdown 76. And I think that's about as early as I go back. Now, I was a big fan of that show until about 1987 when it finally finished up. So, drop a comment down below and let us know what your first TV memory was. Let's see if I can recognise any of your shows. Alrighty, I think we might finish off this video from the truck. So we pulled up in Dalby for a smoko. We're out of the Caltex there on the western side of Dalby. Today we've got a single taut liner on. Single and ready to mingle. So we picked up a few bits and pieces on our way out to Gundawindi today via Dalby. So we'll spend the night in Gundawindi tonight and swap some pallets for some other pallets and wander back through Tara, Dalby and Toowoomba tomorrow and head on down the hill to home. The next video might be a little bit far away. We're in the middle of upgrading all the gear. So I'm not big at putting stuff on tick, so if I don't have the cash I don't buy it. So we're upgrading the computer, the software, I'll buy another camera. I really want to start making better videos. I think I need the better editing software to do that. So yeah, it's probably going to be about another month before I put another video out. So be patient, stay tuned, be safe, we'll see you down the road. We've had an addition to the family. I mentioned him last week in the other video about the lost files that I had. So Tom and Maddie have had their third kid, and I think it's time to introduce you to Bo. Come here. Hey little mister. Alrighty. This is Bo. So Bo's about 3 months old now? 4 months old now? Shows how slack I am. He should have been introduced in the first 30 days. What's going on? Hey? What's going on? So he goes alright. He's pretty healthy. He's nice and chubby. Dribbling down his chin. So we put him through a 30-day probationary period and he passed that with flying colours. So I think we might keep him around for a bit. What do you reckon? Hey? What do you know? What's going on? Ooh. You found my screen. All right.